Welcome to our intermediate guide on building strong back muscles. Today, we'll enhance your upper and lower back workouts with more challenging exercises and include tips on diet, rest, and injury prevention. Start with a dynamic warm-up to activate your back muscles. Include movements like arm circles and torso twists. We'll begin with the T-bar row, a great exercise to target your upper back. Ensure you maintain proper form to maximize effectiveness and prevent injury. For the lower back, we'll incorporate deadlifts. This compound exercise is excellent for building overall back strength. Remember to keep your back flat and lift with your legs. Focus on a protein-rich diet to support muscle recovery and growth. Include lean meats, legumes, and dairy in your meals. Adequate sleep is also crucial for muscle repair. Prevent injuries by maintaining good posture and using proper lifting techniques. Don't rush your progress, increase weights gradually. Conclude your session with a cool down. Stretch your back muscles and perform foam rolling to enhance recovery. Well done! Keep challenging yourself and incorporating these exercises into your routine. Stay tuned for advanced back muscle workouts.